We're going to look at an example of a geometric series in application. So suppose we have a ball that is dropped from a height of 2 meters. And after each bounce, the new height is 3/4 of the old height. And we want to know how far does this ball travel. So we're going to draw a picture first to see what the situation is. Draw a line to represent the ground, and now here comes this line. It represents the first drop of the ball. That's from a height of 2 meters. So we can write down here it has traveled 2 meters so far, and that was on its way down. Then it bounces 3/4 of the old height. So 3/4 times 2 is 3/2. So it's 1.5 meters. It bounces up to a height of 1.5 meters. Therefore it travels 1.5 meters, 3/2 of a meter up. Then it falls that same distance back to the ground. So another 3/2 plus 3/2 on its way down, plus 3/2 times 3/4 is 9/8. So the next time it reaches the height of 9/8 meters, so plus 9/8 up. Then it drops again the same distance, which is 9/8 plus 9/8 down. And 9/8 times 3/4 is 27/32. 27/32, so plus 27/32 up. Then it drops 27/32 plus 27/32 down. And it repeats this pattern forever. And what we want to know now, is this a geometric series? If it is, we can use the formulas which we learned so far from geometric series. So let's write this. Note that 2 is alone, but everything else is in duplicate. So 2 plus 2 times 3/2 plus 2 times 9/8 plus 2 times 27/32, and so on. Now this first 2 is not part of this geometric series. So let's write it as 2 plus 2 times 3/2 is 3. 2 times 9/8, that's 9/4. 2 times 27/32 is 27 divided by 16. You can already see the pattern here. We can write it as a sigma notation using summation notation or not. It doesn't matter. We can do it either way. So first note that what I have in parentheses here is a geometric series. If I take 9/4 and divide it by 3, that's 3/4. And if I take 27/16 and divide it by 9/4, that is 27/16 times 4/9, and that is also 3/4. So this is a geometric series with common ratio r. Therefore this will be 2 plus, it will converge since 3/4 is our r, is less than 1 and greater than -1. And the summation of the series will be 2 plus the first term, which is 3, divided by 1 minus the common ratio, which is 1 minus 3/4. And this is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 1/4, which is 2 plus 12, or 14. The total distance traveled by this ball is 14 meters. Now we can also, if you look at the series, rewrite it as 2 plus, using the summation notation, n equals 0 to infinity, 3 times r, which is 3/4, to the n. And let's just check. When n is 0, we get 3. When n equals 1, we get 3 times 3/4, which is 9/4. And when n equals to 2, we get 3 times 9/16, which is 27/16. That's precisely the series. And this is in standard form. This is in standard form for a series that starts at 0. Therefore, we can also find its sum using the same way. This is 2 plus a, which is 3, divided by 1 minus r, 1 minus 3/4, and that's equal to 14 as well.